Are we truly alone in the universe? Today, we're going to explore 10 locations within the solar system where extraterrestrial life might exist. From oceans hidden beneath thick ice to mysterious cloud layers, these places could hold the answers to humanity's biggest question. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Europa, moon of Jupiter. Imagine a vast ocean lying just beneath a thick layer of ice, tens of kilometers deep. That's Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, and it's considered one of the most promising candidates in our solar system for finding extraterrestrial life. Europa is not just a cold, icy rock drifting through space. Beneath its frozen surface, scientists believe there exists a massive liquid ocean, potentially harboring life. What makes Europa special is its similarity to deep-sea environments on Earth. Beneath the ice, heat from the moon's core might provide the necessary energy to keep water in its liquid form and sustain life. The cracks on the ice surface and the plumes of water vapor observed by probes indicate ongoing geological activity, which could create conditions suitable for microorganisms or simple life forms to thrive. Why do we think life might exist on Europa? Water is the most essential ingredient for sustaining life as we know it. And Europa contains twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Moreover, organic compounds might be present in this ocean, providing the raw materials for potential life forms. Upcoming space missions, like the Europa Clipper, are set to further explore this mysterious ocean and search for concrete evidence of life. Europa is truly one of the most exciting places to watch when it comes to the possibility of life beyond Earth. Number 2. Enceladus, moon of Saturn. A small yet mysterious moon spewing water jets hundreds of kilometers into space. That's Enceladus, one of Saturn's moons, and also one of the most intriguing places in the solar system when it comes to the search for extraterrestrial life. With a diameter of only about 500 kilometers, Enceladus may be small in size, but it holds great mysteries. The most remarkable feature of Enceladus is the water jets erupting from cracks on its surface. Scientists have discovered plumes of water and ice coming from a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, and these plumes even contain organic compounds, the building blocks of life. This suggests that beneath the ice, Enceladus could host an environment similar to Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents, where life thrives. These water plumes not only confirm the presence of liquid water below, but they also raise the possibility of simple life forms existing there. The chemical-rich water and heat from hydrothermal vents could create conditions favorable for life to emerge, much like how organisms survive at the ocean floor on Earth. Enceladus is currently a target for several exploration missions, and we may soon uncover more of the secrets it holds. Number 3. Titan, moon of Saturn. A moon with lakes and rivers made of liquid methane. That's Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and one of the strangest places in the solar system. Titan is unlike anywhere else we know. It has a thick atmosphere, composed mostly of nitrogen and methane, and on its surface you'll find lakes, rivers, and even seas made of liquid methane and ethane. Titan is one of the few places in the solar system with surface liquids, a crucial factor for supporting life. Although its lakes don't contain water, scientists believe that a different form of life could potentially exist, one that relies on methane instead of water. This opens up new possibilities for the chemistry of life, as Titan might harbor microorganisms vastly different from anything we know on Earth. Additionally, beneath Titan's icy surface, there could be a subsurface ocean of liquid water, where conditions might be more favorable for life. With its diverse and alien environment, Titan is a highly intriguing target for future exploration missions. And who knows? We might discover forms of life unlike anything we've ever seen before. Number 4. Ganymede, moon of Jupiter. One of the largest moons in the solar system may hide a deep ocean beneath its icy surface. That's Ganymede, Jupiter's largest moon, and even bigger than the planet Mercury. Ganymede is not only the largest moon, but it's also fascinating due to evidence suggesting a vast ocean lies deep beneath its frozen exterior. Scientists believe that, similar to Europa, Ganymede may contain a liquid water ocean beneath a thick ice shell. This could be possible due to internal heating from the moon's core, caused by the gravitational forces of Jupiter and its neighboring moons. This ocean could hold more water than all of Earth's oceans combined, raising the potential for life in its deep waters. Moreover, Ganymede is the only moon in the solar system with its own magnetic field. This magnetic field could protect the moon from Jupiter's intense radiation, creating a more stable environment for life, if it exists. With liquid water, energy, and a protective environment, Ganymede stands as a strong candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Future missions might delve deeper into this mystery and explore whether life forms are hidden beneath Ganymede's icy shell, waiting for us to discover them. Number 5. Callisto, moon of Jupiter. A distant moon of Jupiter that might hide a mysterious ocean beneath its surface. That's Callisto, one of Jupiter's largest moons, and also one of the most enigmatic locations in the solar system when it comes to the potential for life. Callisto's surface is covered in impact craters and appears very calm, but beneath its icy shell, scientists believe there could be a subsurface ocean of liquid water. Callisto doesn't have the intense geological activity seen on other moons of Jupiter, but this could actually be an advantage for the possibility of life. With fewer influences from strong magnetic fields or harmful radiation, Callisto's environment might be more stable and less affected by external forces. If water exists beneath the surface, it could create a suitable environment for microorganisms or other simple life forms to thrive. Moreover, Callisto's thick ice layer could shield its subsurface ocean from external impacts, offering further protection. Recent studies suggest that Callisto might be a key target in future space exploration missions, with the potential to find signs of microbial life beneath its thick ice. Callisto may not be as well known as Europa or Enceladus, but it is certainly a noteworthy candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Number 6. Venus, cloud tops. A planet as hot as hell, yet possibly hiding life in its clouds. That's Venus, a planet with an extremely harsh surface, where temperatures are hot enough to melt metal. However, there may still be regions where life could exist, within the thick, high-altitude clouds. Scientists have discovered that, at altitudes of about 50 to 60 kilometers above Venus's surface, the temperature and pressure are relatively mild, similar to those on Earth. In a remarkable finding in 2020, scientists detected traces of phosphine, a chemical compound associated with biological processes on Earth, in Venus's atmosphere. This raised speculation that microbial life could exist in these cloud layers. Although Venus's atmosphere is filled with sulfuric acid, certain microorganisms might be able to survive within tiny water droplets or other cloud particles. If life exists on Venus, it would be vastly different from what we know. Instead of relying on water, these organisms might depend on other chemical compounds and thrive in an extremely acidic environment. While there is no definitive proof yet, the discovery of phosphine has made Venus an exciting candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists are now planning future missions to explore Venus's atmosphere in greater detail and to determine whether life might indeed be floating in those mysterious clouds. Number 7. Ceres, dwarf planet in the asteroid belt. A tiny dwarf planet in the asteroid belt, yet it may hold secrets about life. That's Ceres, the largest dwarf planet in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. While much smaller than the planets, Ceres has garnered attention for signs that it may harbor water beneath its surface, a crucial ingredient for life. Ceres is covered by a thick layer of ice and contains traces of organic compounds, the basic building blocks of life. Recent studies suggest that Ceres could have a subsurface ocean of liquid water beneath its icy crust. This is a significant discovery, as liquid water often provides an environment where life, even in microbial form, could potentially exist. Another fascinating aspect is that in 2015, NASA's Dawn spacecraft spotted mysterious bright spots on Ceres' surface, which were later identified as hydrated salts, evidence of past or present geological activity and possible interaction with liquid water. This makes Ceres a compelling target in the search for extraterrestrial life. Though not a large planet, Ceres might be home to microbial life within its hidden ocean, opening up new possibilities for exploring life in our solar system. Number 8. Pluto's subsurface ocean. A distant icy world that might hide a warm ocean beneath its surface. That's Pluto, the dwarf planet on the outer edge of the solar system, shrouded in mysteries about the potential for life. While Pluto's surface is extremely cold, with temperatures dropping below -200 degrees Celsius, scientists believe that a subsurface ocean could exist beneath its thick ice layer. Data from NASA's New Horizons spacecraft suggests that Pluto's surface may have been shaped by geological processes involving water. The ripples and terrain patterns observed on the surface hint at a hidden ocean, where microbial life might be possible if the conditions are right. Interestingly, despite its distance from the Sun, the temperature beneath Pluto's surface could be warm enough to keep water in liquid form, thanks to heat generated by radioactive elements within its core. Though far from the Sun, Pluto remains a potential candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life, with the possibility of unique life forms that we have yet to encounter. Number 9. Triton, moon of Neptune. An icy moon that might hide an ocean beneath its surface. This is Triton, Neptune's largest moon. Despite its great distance from the Sun, Triton is a highly intriguing place when it comes to the possibility of life. Data from space probes suggest that Triton could have a liquid water ocean beneath its thick ice shell, heated by internal geological activity. Triton is also famous for its nitrogen gas plumes erupting from the surface, signs of ongoing internal processes. If this ocean exists, it could provide a habitat for microbial life, similar to Earth's extreme environments, where life thrives despite harsh conditions. Although there haven't been many missions to explore Triton yet, the potential of a subsurface ocean makes it an exciting candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Number 10. Mars. Could there be life on the red planet that we've always dreamed of exploring? Mars, the planet closest to Earth, has long been at the center of discussions about the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Evidence of ancient water, signs of temporary surface flows, and the presence of subsurface ice all suggest that Mars once had conditions favorable for supporting life. Today, while Mars's surface is harsh, with freezing temperatures and high radiation, scientists believe that microbial life could still exist beneath the surface, where pockets of ice or briny liquid water might be found. Discoveries of organic compounds by NASA's Curiosity rover have sparked hope that microbial life either once existed or may still persist in these protected environments. Mars is not only a key target for exploration missions, but also could be the place where we find the first signs of extraterrestrial life within our solar system. The ongoing journey to explore the red planet is sure to yield even more promising discoveries. We've just explored 10 potential locations within the solar system where extraterrestrial life might exist. Now it's your turn. Which of these places do you think is the most likely to harbor life? Or is there another place we haven't mentioned that you'd like to explore? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of Nothingverse's exciting journeys. Stay with us as we continue to explore the vast universe.